10 minutes with me, shall we? I'm just moving back and forth, lifting my legs up. Now, I'm in front so you can see where I'm at, but it's very easy. Stay close to your chair, okay? If it's too loud, I think it's a little loud. Let's lower it down a little bit. You keep going, keep walking, just keep stepping, side to stepping, marching, side to side, please. There we go. Just a little bit lower. There we go. Perfect. Ah, hear the cadence? Hear the beat? All right. We're going to move side to side, 1 foot at a time, okay? Have that chair near you. So this is adaptive dancing, okay? This is for individuals that is just trying to get back into moving, getting back into fitness, and also moving around some strokes, all right? Here we go. We're gonna just use 1 foot, 1 foot. Turn it in, out. Turn it in, out. Mind you, I am still holding on to the chair. If you're a little further ahead in your fitness journey, you can go as fast as you can. You don't have to though, you can take your time. Hold on to that chair. Music's is gonna come on. We finished 2 minutes. Go the other side. Oh my goodness, I think they're gonna play the same song, but you know what? Let's keep going, okay? Remember, you can go fast if you're further ahead. Just moving my chair. Good. 1 at a time, each side. So I'm just turning from the toes. I'm just trying to allow you to move the chair. Move your hands if you want. Or hold on to the chair. You're going to do double each side. Back to march. See if you can do it with that beat. Move the shoulders forward with it. All right, we're gonna try to double up the shoulders, okay? You ready? Take your left shoulder as you're trying to march. At the same time, double it up. Oh, I did the right shoulder first. I'm so sorry. I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. And I'm also marching twice. Move that chair so you can see it. So the opposite leg is pumping twice with the opposite shoulder. Keep your chair close to you. Okay, ready? Step back. That you need, I'm just moving out the way so you can see what's happening with it. And we're going to do 2 each side. Perfect. Keep going, keep going. We're doing 2 to each side. Coming in. There we go. Tell me this live. I can introduce myself. My name is Muna. How are you doing today? This is chair fitness, adaptive fitness. Yes, we're starting standing up. Okay, you can easily do this in a chair. I'll show you in a minute what we were doing standing up. And you can start at the chair with the next song. But this is live. So now you know what happens when I forget to change the song. Of course, if you get to see this recorded later on, okay, life happens, right? All right, we're gonna stop here. Why? Because I'm gonna use one leg and turn turn. There we go. So we just try to turn to one side. So if you want to try to go faster and add that hips movement, you can, but if not, you can just go slow. Notice that my hand can come right back. I know where my chair is. You are turning each side. Perfect. This will be the last one because the song ended. That was the last 2 minutes. Perfect. So we spent 6 minutes standing. We're going to go to the chair now. Okay? Find your way to the seat. Come at the edge of my seat. Perfect. Feet are flat on the floor. We're going to bop the head to the song. Don't go too far. One hand out to the side. My left hand's out. Swing it back. Bend the elbow and I chop it in, coming in towards the center body. Perfect. I extend my arm out. This is my right now, going out to the side. Zip back. Bend the elbow, chop that elbow, pulsing it down, coming into the chest. Other side, out. And pulse. Out. And chop it in. Pulse. Bend the elbow. Bring it in, pull out. The other arm goes out to the side. As far back you can go. Then bend the elbow, chop that arm till you come in towards the body. Good. Out to the other side. Bend that elbow, chop it in. Perfect. Last one. Bring it in. Perfect. Out. Swing it out. So those arms are swinging towards the back. I don't have to look where it's at if I don't want to. I can if I also want to. It also helps the neck. Don't go too fast. Okay? Now mind you, I'm nodding my head yes as my arms go back. And as I'm following the arm. Take my time with it. Now if the head gets dizzy and you don't like it, just go slow. It's up to you whether you want to go with the beat or not. Okay? Ah, nice. All right, here we go. We're going to add with one side. I'm going to my left side first. And I'm going to let my left leg tap with me as I bring that hand nice and slow in a circle. Pinky down, bringing that arm right back to the side. Thumb to the back. Go to the back, all the way up. Bring down. So mind you, my leg is tapping, my left leg tapping, while my left arm is going in a circle. Doesn't have to be fast. Maybe reverse the direction. Lower that hand, bring it back to flat. Let that leg stay still. Start the right leg tapping. Here we go, you got it? Got the tap? Perfect. Let's bring that hand back. Bring it all the way up. Pinky forward. Good. Big thumb back to comes up. Pinky forward, bringing the arm down. My right leg, excuse me, my right leg is tapping. While my arm is slowly turning, going backwards. Let's swing forward, big surface. Now I'm doing big circles, but the circle doesn't have to be big like my big. It can be your big. Just, you know, right here, blow by your side. It's up to you. Okay, we're going to reverse the direction. Bring the hand back to come forward, close to the body. Okay, I'm coming this way now. Yeah, I thought I was going down. Yeah. Whatever the reverse is for you, do it. Sometimes, even my brain sometimes doesn't know what reverse for me is. Alright, then we're going to stop right there. Perfect. Now I'm in the chair and I'm going to let both legs tap. So I'm tapping my heels. Similar to what we were doing standing up, but now we're in a chair. Okay? Just march it out. Want something to do with your hands? You can wave them side to side or up and down. There we go. Want to get more into the groove? So go shoulders. Okay, you ready? We're going to try one side at a time. Notice I'm using my hands too, just going out the side. All right, one leg. But if you notice, my left leg is moving side to side. I'm going to keep the beat. And my left arm is pushing across the body. Pushing and bringing back. Pushing, bringing back. So my elbows with them. And coming in and out. So as my leg goes out, my hand goes across the chest. Oh dear. 3, 2, 1, go back to march. One side's a little bit warmer than the other. So let's just try the leg first. Keep going, the song's gonna go, it's okay. It's just telling us another 2 minutes have passed. Ready? And 3, and 2, and bring that other arm. Oh, maybe that is our 10 minutes. Oh my. Better put another song on. But we're going to finish it up here. And 3, and 2, and 1, and hold it here. So I guess that was our 10 minutes. I thought it was going to be another song. I made sure that all the songs were there. Give us 2 minutes at a time. But it was so much fun being here with you. So let's get a big stretch here. Oh, exhale out. Whew. Another one. Whew. Exhale out. Last one. Ooh. All right. Applaud. Give yourself a clap. Pat yourself in the back. Pat yourself in the leg. Give yourself a woo-hoo. We did it celebration. And I will see you next time.